In the silence. In the silence, there is a sacred place. Rumi says that silence is the language of God. All else is but poor translation. So as we move into our meditation today, I invite you to let your breath take you into the silence. And as you sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor and your spine straight, just relax your whole body. You may choose to gently close your eyes to shut out any visual distractions. And now, follow your breath in and out. Isn't it interesting as you start to go into the silence, distracting thoughts, maybe insignificant thoughts just pop up? Like a 2-year-old who repeatedly asks, why? The thoughts move into the space. So if that happens to you, acknowledge them. Won't the kind inner voice say, no, this is my time. I am in the silence. I am with God. So breathing in to a count of 4 or 5, and then slowly releasing to a count of 8 or 10, without straining or concentrating. Just relax and gently follow my voice. And if you find yourself wandering, just bring yourself back to your breath. Everything else is optional. Today's daily word, connection. I honor my connection with all people, was the seed for today's meditation. When the disciples asked Jesus, Matthew, what is the greatest commandment in the law? Jesus replied, love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment. And like the second, and the second is like it, love your neighbor as yourself. Hold on to these commandments. So those are Jesus's 3 calls to action. Love God, love yourself, love your neighbor. So how are you doing on that? Well, right now, in this meditation, I invite you to let your body be relaxed, and we'll move into the metta meditation. Let my words be your words, or maybe you'd like to repeat them after me. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be safe from inner and outer dangers. May I feel well in body and mind. May I be at ease and happy. May I be at peace. I'm going to say these affirmations again. And I invite you to picture yourself as you are now and hold that image in your heart until it overflows with loving kindness for yourself, right as you are. Or perhaps you might find it easier to picture yourself as as you were as a young and beloved child. Adjust the words to fit whatever image you want to hold. But take them into your heart. Maybe even hold your hand over your heart. And let my words be your words. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be safe from inner and outer dangers. May I be well in body and mind. May I be at ease and happy. May I be at peace. Expressing love and gratitude is sometimes easier to do for other people than it is for us to do for ourselves. So now I invite you to call up into your mind's eye or feel the presence of your loved ones, those that you love with all your heart and wish only the best for. Those that have chosen to take this journey with you. You might find that several folks come to mind, and that's fine. Just let them all join you as we speak these words for them. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be safe from inner and outer dangers. May you be well in body and mind. May you be at ease and happy. May you be at peace. Breathe. Breathe deeply into that space. And now we will say these affirmations for someone whose behavior annoys us or upsets us. Someone you may have felt has betrayed you. Someone that you may perceive as an enemy or as an opponent. When you wish the same good things for these others, an amazing thing happens. You loose them and let them go. They are no longer bound to you. You are no longer hooked by their behaviors. And you can release them to continue on to their journey, not wrapped up with yours. So call those people to mind. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be safe from inner and outer dangers. May you be well in body and mind. May you be at ease and happy. May you be at peace. I know that isn't always easy. It's not easy for me, so I don't know why I would think it would be easy for you. But it is essential. It is essential for your well-being and for your happiness. And now, as we go back into that space of loving kindness, we encompass all beings that inhabit this small jewel of a planet with us. Those that are known to us and those that are as yet unknown. loving kindness. See it as extending out as ripples when a pebble drops into a pond, beginning with each of us, and moving out gently in concentric circles until it encompasses everyone who you touch and who they touch, until we reach all. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be safe from inner and outer dangers. May they be well in mind and body. May they be at ease and happy. May they be at peace. O loving presence, thank you for the peace that passes all understanding. Thank you for the love that fills my heart and cascades out. I am filled with gratitude for all that I have and have I received. So you take another deep breath in, push it out. And another one in, and then out. I invite you to keep your heart open and receptive today as we hear